Back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at some epics. I don't know if they are going to be coming to the game or if they were just designs, but we are going to be looking at them. So big shout out to Prismatics. This guy found these icons. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to pass 3,000 subscribers, by the way. But let's go ahead and look at these icons. So this is like a skeleton of the big hex thing. As you can see, it has like a darker type of color than what the normal one would look like. I'll go ahead and go to Big Hex real quickly. So as you can see, it has like a lighter color. This one has a darker color. The blue or lightning is more like a white. Here it is more of a blue. So here's the icon. I really like how it looks. It looks more modern and old at the same time. It has the gold, the red, darker colors and stuff. That is what I like about it. It doesn't look super old, but it still has like the design of it being old. So then we have this Magmischief one. I don't know if this was what the Mag Mayhem was going to look like, because there used to be a picture of there used to be, if you could hack, you could morph into Mag Mayhem, and then a deformed version of that would pop up. I'll try and I'll put that in the description, or it'll be in the right hand corner, not sure. So then we have this Daviday one, which looks pretty weird. It kind of looks like the Aquadile. I forgot its name. Yeah, as he said, it's kind of ugly. I think it's kind of ugly. And then we have the Aura one, which I like. So the reason that I think that these could have been what the mythical epics were going to look like is because down here there is a comment by Prismatrix here that says Magmischief vs. Mag Mayhem. It looks very similar. The mouths are kind of the same. The eyes are kind of the same. The hands are doing the same thing in each. And it has the horns. Daviday and Aquadile, all they did was change up the color of the eyes, and they changed the orange with gold. This blue was changed with tan. And instead of this being gold, they gave it blue pearls. So then we have Luminite, which has this. Same colored eyes, same type of looks, even has the same tooth, and has a same thing in the same place. So that is why I think that these would be what the mythical epics were going to originally look like, but I don't know why Prodigy would put them into the game files for really no reason whatsoever. And then we have two pictures that this person Ice Tower came out to players right now. So he wants people to get the Ice Tower now, but we don't care. So this is what he made this. I don't think there's a skeleton for Aura or this Aura, cause Epic. PG Pro Gamer says that it's going to be called a Legacy Epic, but I don't know. And then there's also the Big Hex version, which looks very accurate. And a reason that I think that this is because there is a trailer that Prodigy had, and this is the Big Hex that they had. So maybe that was like a little Easter egg that they had. And then this is what the Arcturion or Arcturus one would look like. No one has finished it, but I guess this is what its attack animation would look like right here. I don't think anyone has finished this, and that is what the Magmischief one I was talking about was going to be. Yeah, but no one has finished the Arcturus one yet. And then we have some deleted epics or early epic designs. Shout out to First Mate Philip. CRF also did a video on this. I don't think all of these were in it though. We have this, which looks bad. This, which looks bad. These look like they would be in the very old versions of Prodigy, probably why they're not in the game. So these two look bad. They were in CRF's video. This is one of the only mythical epics that I actually like a lot. It looks like Eclipse, but like an inverted colors type of one, and I really, really like it. So then we have this one, which looks like it would have been what Floor Fox would have been, or something else. Not even sure what this is. We got two unicorns, which look pretty weird, whatever you want to say. They kind of look like they would have been what Misty and Mystic would have been, or whatever the Earth one's called. Then CRF did this one, but this one looks pretty cool. Then we have this one I don't like, and this one CRF did, and I don't like it very much. But I'm pretty sure that is all of the epics. So yeah, he said this is what the Eclipse's early design looks like. So hopefully that'll be added into the game sometime soon, if it ever will be. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. As I said before, make sure to subscribe so that we can pass Freezic and subscribers, and bye.